Hey everyone, I'm Allie, back again for another training update, so let's check it out. First up, James Conrad brings us MS 102, Microsoft 365 Certified Administrator Expert Training. If you've been managing Microsoft 365 environments for a few years and you're ready to make it official, this is the course. James covers the full scope of enterprise Microsoft 365 administration, tenant setup, identity management, security configurations, and compliance controls. We're talking about the stuff IT admins are already doing in production every day, just now with a cert to back it up. This course is great for Microsoft 365 admins with 3 to 5 years of hands-on experience. If that's you or someone on your team, this is a direct path to the Administrator Expert Cert and the senior roles that come with it. Next, it's AWS Certified Generative AI Developer Professional with Scott Pletcher. This one is brand new from AWS, and it's for engineers who are already in the cloud and want to go deeper into production-ready Gen AI. Not the intro-level what is AI stuff. This is about building real systems, working with foundation models, fine-tuning, RAG architectures, and deploying Gen AI apps on AWS infrastructure. If you're a cloud developer who's been dabbling with AI APIs and wants to move into building serious Gen AI pipelines, this training is where that skill set gets validated. And finally, David Smith's Cisco Security Essentials training course is built for security-focused network professionals who need to understand how modern Cisco security tools fit together, from network access control all the way through extended detection and response. XDR is becoming a cornerstone of enterprise security operations, and David walks you through how Cisco's ecosystem approaches it end-to-end. If your team is working in Cisco-heavy environments and security is on your radar, this is a training course worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe here to get the latest from CBT Nuggets. And if you haven't yet, sign up for a free trial and see everything CBT Nuggets training has to offer.